In this video, I will share to you the cash winnings of Nesthy Petecio as Olympic silver winner. I know it's another great day for us Filipino guys because another pride have been awarded to our country. Yes, Nesthy as a winner, an Olympic silver medal winner for for under her category, and it's really a great pride and honor to us Filipinos, and hopefully more winnings to follow. So please watch this video. Before we jump to the video, welcome to Tita Eda's channel, giving you the best tips, tricks, government tutorials, and government information so we can be updated together. If this is the kind of content that you like, please consider subscribing. Kindly click the like, subscribe button, and notification bell so you will not miss any of our latest video episodes. So let's start. Nesthy Petecio, a silver medalist in the Olympics, will be rewarded almost 17 million worth of prizes. Congratulations again, Nesthy. In a historic occasion for Philippine sports, Nesthy Petecio won the Philippines' second Olympic medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Petecio, 29, was defeated in the women's featherweight final by Japanese opponent Sena Iri. However, she was awarded silver for reaching the finals. Winning an Olympic medal is a cause for celebration because she not only has bragging rights as one of the finest boxers in the world, but she also has over or almost 17 million in prize money. As an incentive for athletes to win the Philippines' first ever gold medal, the government, private companies, tycoons, and politicians are guaranteed cash awards to every Filipino who finish in the top 3 at the Olympics. Team Philippines, on the other hand, may not have been expected to perform as well as they did. These politicians and business are not only giving 33 million to gold medalist Heidelin Diaz, but they're also giving Nesthy a considerable sum, in which is I have mentioned almost 17 million pesos. Prepare your checkbooks, officials. Tycoons, for Nesthy Petecio is ready to cash in on her winnings. Here is the total prize money Petecio will receive as a result of his second of or her second place or receiving second place medal. The Philippine Sports Foundation has donated 5 million. And the next would be Manny Pangilinan. That's another 5 million. San Miguel Foundation donated 5 million. Deputy Speaker Mikey Romero donated 2 million pesos. This adds up to almost 17 million for now. Her hometown and province will add to the mix for sure. That's not even taking into account the sponsorship offers she'll be receiving, because there have only been a few medal winning Filipino Olympians in history. Brands will jump at the chance to work with such high profile athletes. Expect her to negotiate a slew of rich sponsorship ads, deals, and don't be surprised if her first is with Nesthy. So ayan mga guys, if you find this video very helpful at nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Thank you ulit sa pag-tune in nyo sa aking channel. Again, this is Tita Eda. If you have a questions and you want information, just visit Tita Eda's channel. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.